Hello. Hi. This is me, and I figured that this was a good opportunity to do it behind the scenes on Minefield, because that's the latest video, and what better to review than explosions? For what I'm doing, my dad glazed decking, so putting all the furniture back or something. Can't remember precisely what it's called. But yeah, you probably just heard the pitter patter of little feet. That's my dad's dogs, and my dogs too. Cute little Jack Russells. I'm carrying this chair in the most awkward way, I swear. Anyway, with this whole decking thing, I kept my dad busy while I was doing Minefield. That's why I had this new place, because I'm at my dad's. So, yeah. Oh, can I carry this? So yeah, big place, take advantage, and here so yeah. They're very nice. oh. So then, anyway, I was aiming with this video because everything that I do, I want to go one up in the effects. And I thought I did that. Minefield. And I did make a promise. That video gets 10 likes. Indigo the movie. Now that is pretty much just going to be a 10 to 20 minute video. Non-stop. Goofing about, probably get people. Well, I should get people because it's going to be a movie. So yeah, give that 10 likes. Oh, and if you subscribe to my channel through that video, leave a comment. And then if I get ever so many numbers of them, I'll be doing bonus bits. But that's a surprise. So leave a comment on my channel, not on my video. This is such a... How the heck am I meant to carry this? I'll just drag it. That's not gonna work. Now, believe it or not, Minefield took several hundred takes. Because, my dad has two dogs. Give me a second. Oh wait, I'm going to open the door. And they kept on running out in the sea. It took us a while before we actually decided to lock the dog flap. We were worried that it would make too much noise. Another problem was the water feature. And I was thinking of taking that out. But I didn't take it out because it gave the impression that I was thirsty, which was whole injected with that. So that was like a little subliminal message. Now where the heck am I going to put it? So yeah. So that's most of the stuff covered, I guess. Oh, by the way, you guys are sending me plenty of questions for the next video, number 3. The only reason I haven't done it is because I'm trying to make a gap between now and then. I might do it after my next video, or I'll do it next. So send me more questions. Just keep them coming. Don't leave it to someone else. I mean, there must be a question you want answered, like, how did I make an intro? How did I... stuff like that. Does this work? I don't think it does. I'm going to say it does though, just for the hell it works. So, there we go. this works. Oh, I can totally use my advantage. Hello, and welcome to the talk show. Nah, just kidding. Okay, that's pretty much it. I think I've explained everything. Right. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel and the other channel. This channel includes After Effects tutorials, which haven't been uploaded yet because I can't find a decent screen capture software, but I'm working on it. Okay, that door closes by itself because I have magical powers. Whoa. Okay, that's all I had to say, and goodbye.